Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. This month is all about taking our health back after the holidays, and I'm going to be preparing a delicious Mediterranean chicken salad. This is going to be packed with flavor. I'm going to enjoy this for my lunch, and I'm also going to make extra so I can take with me for an office lunch as well. It packs really well. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the marinade for the chicken. I have 4 tablespoons of olive oil here, and to this I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add a half teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of Aleppo chili powder. Now Aleppo chili powder is found in Middle Eastern stores. Don't use regular chili powder, it'll be too hot. If you can't find this kind of chili powder, you can also substitute a hot paprika. I'm also going to add a half teaspoon of dried mint, half teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix this well together. This is a little thick, so I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of oil just to loosen it up. I have 2 chicken breasts here. These are about a pound each, and I've cut slits in the chicken breasts. This is going to help the chicken cook faster, but it's also going to help to get the marinade all the way into the cracks and crevices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken shawarma spice. 1 teaspoon of Aleppo chili powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses, and I'm going to mix this well to make sure all of the marinade gets everywhere. Keep this aside. If you have the time, allow it to marinate overnight. Add some oil to your hot pan. You can also grill or bake this as well, but today I'm just going to pan fry it. Cook the chicken till it's no longer pink inside. If you wish, you can sear the chicken and then finish cooking it in the oven. Using the same bowl, I'm going to add a cup of mixed greens, 2 cups of parsley leaves, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. I just cut these in half. 1 cup of cucumbers. I cut these in cubes. 1 cup of mixed beans. I'm using a combination of garbanzo and kidney beans, but you can use any kind of bean. I've also got 2 tablespoons of sliced olives, 2 tablespoons of Arabic style pickled turnips, 1 cup of green pepper. And remember that dressing we made, use as much as you need. I like to lightly dress the salad, and you can add more if you need to. I'm also going to add 1 cup of pine nuts and roasted chickpeas. I make a batch of these by roasting drained chickpeas in my 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. It makes a great snack, but it also adds great crunch and texture to the salad. Serve this with the chicken and enjoy. Thanks so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious Mediterranean chicken salad. There's no reason to have a boring salad. If you have a meal like this, you're going to be encouraged to eat healthy all the time. If you love this video, please share it with your family and friends, and make sure that you ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there, so make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Till I see you next time, happy eating. Take care. Bye.